NASA reveals amazing Mars ice home concept for astronauts living on the red planet. The inflatable igloo-like structures provide protection from dangerous galactic cosmic rays. Until recently, the prospect of humans living on Mars seemed like a crazy pipe dream. But the development of reusable rockets, together with a renewed political interest in space exploration, means a manned mission to the red planet could be closer than ever. NASA Chief Charles Bolden said last year that the space agency will put humans on Mars by 2030, and Barack Obama has also described this as a clear goal for the USA. Meanwhile, billionaire entrepreneur Elon Musk has set out a plan to establish a self-sustaining city on Mars by the mid-2060s, complete with iron foundries and pizza restaurants. But the question remains how early settlers will survive in Mars' extreme temperatures and unforgiving atmosphere, which does not provide adequate protection from high-energy radiation. Now a group of NASA experts, designers and architects from the Langley Research Center have unveiled a concept called Mars Ice Home, which they claim could protect astronauts from the harsh Martian environment. The Mars Ice Home is a large inflatable torus, a shape similar to an inner tube, that is surrounded by a shell of water ice. The torus is lightweight and can be transported and deployed with simple robotics, then filled with water before the crew arrives. The water, which is rich in hydrogen, is an excellent shielding material for galactic cosmic rays, which are one of the biggest risks of long stays on Mars, according to NASA. This high-energy radiation can pass right through the skin, damaging cells or DNA, meaning an increased risk for cancer later in life, and causing acute radiation sickness. The materials that make up the ice home will have to withstand many years of use in the harsh Martian environment, including ultraviolet radiation, charged particle radiation, possibly some atomic oxygen, perchlorates, as well as dust storms, said researcher Sheila Antebo. To manage temperatures inside the ice home, a layer of carbon dioxide gas would be used as insulation, between the living space and the thick shielding layer of ice. While other proposals suggest building habitats underground, the ice home is preferable because it doesn't require heavy robotic equipment, which would need to be transported from Earth. It is also translucent, allowing some outside daylight to pass through, so inhabitants feel like they are in a home and not a cave. The structure itself doubles as a storage tank for water, which could potentially be converted to rocket fuel for the Mars ascent vehicle and then refilled for the next crew, according to NASA. Although the Mars Ice Home design has several advantages that make it an appealing concept, there are also some drawbacks. While some areas of Mars have abundant water ice just below the surface, extracting this water is not easy. Experts believe it would be possible to fill the ice home at a rate of 1 cubic meter per day, meaning it would take 400 days to fill it completely. Astronauts would also need a large amount of flexible workspace, so that crews could have a place to service robotic equipment indoors without the need to wear pressure suits. Despite these challenges, Langley senior systems engineer Kevin Vipavich said the Mars Ice Home offers a sound engineering solution for sustainable habitation on the red planet.